Concealed carry licenses in the United States. An overview. The right to bear arms is enshrined in the Second Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, and over time, this has led to the development of laws governing the carrying of firearms, particularly concealed carry. Concealed carry refers to the practice of carrying a concealed firearm on one's person in public. In the United States, the requirements for obtaining a concealed carry license vary significantly from state to state, reflecting the country's diverse legal landscape and differing interpretations of the Second Amendment. State-by-state variations in concealed carry laws. As of 2025, the United States is divided in its approach to concealed carry. Some states require individuals to obtain a permit to carry a concealed weapon, while others have adopted permitless carry laws, allowing eligible individuals to carry concealed firearms without a license. States requiring concealed carry permits. In states that require a concealed carry permit, applicants typically must meet certain criteria, such as being of a minimum age, usually 21, undergoing a background check, completing a firearms safety course, and demonstrating good moral character. These states often have a shall issue or may issue system. Shall issue states. In these states, authorities are required to issue a concealed carry permit to applicants who meet all legal requirements. Examples include Pennsylvania and Virginia. May issue states. Here, authorities have discretion in issuing permits, even if applicants meet all legal requirements. This discretion often depends on the applicant's demonstrated need for carrying a concealed weapon. Examples include California and New York. Permitless carry states. Conversely, permitless carry states, also known as constitutional carry states, allow individuals to carry concealed firearms without a permit, provided they are legally eligible to possess a firearm. As of 2025, 29 states have adopted permitless carry laws. These states include Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, New Hampshire, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, West Virginia, Wyoming. These laws reflect a belief in the constitutional right to carry firearms without government interference. However, the implementation and specifics of these laws can vary. For instance, some states may still require a background check for firearm purchases, while others may not. Additionally, while these states do not require a permit to carry concealed, individuals may still choose to obtain one for reciprocity purposes when traveling to other states that do require permits. Concealed carry reciprocity. One of the complexities arising from the patchwork of state laws is the issue of reciprocity, the recognition of one state's concealed carry permit by another state. States with more stringent requirements may not recognize permits from states with less stringent laws, leading to confusion and potential legal issues for permit holders traveling across state lines. To address this, federal legislation such as the Concealed Carry Reciprocity Act has been proposed. This act aims to allow individuals with a valid concealed carry permit from one state to carry concealed in other states that also issue permits. However, as of 2025, such federal legislation has not been enacted, and reciprocity remains a state-by-state issue. Debate over concealed carry laws. The debate over concealed carry laws is multifaceted, involving considerations of public safety, individual rights, and state sovereignty. Proponents of permitless carry argue that it upholds the Second Amendment and allows law-abiding citizens to protect themselves without unnecessary government intervention. They contend that responsible gun owners should not be required to obtain a permit to exercise their constitutional rights. Opponents, however, express concerns about the potential for increased gun violence and accidents. They argue that permitting systems ensure that individuals carrying concealed firearms have undergone necessary background checks and training, thereby promoting public safety. Studies have shown that states with weaker concealed carry permitting laws may experience higher rates of gun-related homicides, highlighting the potential risks associated with less stringent regulations. Recent trends and developments. In recent years, there has been a noticeable shift toward expanding concealed carry rights in various states. This trend is influenced by political, social, and cultural factors, including a growing emphasis on individual rights and self-defense. For example, in 2023, Florida became the 26th state to adopt permitless carry laws, reflecting the state's commitment to upholding Second Amendment rights. However, this trend is not universal. Some states have moved in the opposite direction, enacting stricter gun control measures in response to concerns over gun violence. For instance, after a series of mass shootings, Maine implemented new gun restrictions, including a 72-hour waiting period for firearm purchases and expanded background checks. These contrasting approaches illustrate the ongoing national debate over the balance between gun rights and public safety. Conclusion: the landscape of concealed carry laws in the United States is diverse and continually evolving. While some states uphold the principle of permitless carry, others maintain stringent requirements for obtaining a concealed carry permit. This variation underscores the broader debate over the interpretation of the Second Amendment and the role of government in regulating firearm possession and use. As the national conversation continues, it is essential for individuals to stay informed about the laws in their respective states and any changes that may occur. Understanding the legal requirements and responsibilities associated with concealed carry is crucial for ensuring both personal safety and compliance with the law.